and welcome back to Dressytreats. Today we will be making ginger toffee. So, let's get started. You are going to need 75 grams ginger, 250 grams sugar, half a cup of fresh milk. Prepare a butter or oil grease tray. Peel the ginger and wash and cut into small pieces. Blend or wet grind ginger. Add some sugar, some milk, and make a paste. Into a pot, add ginger paste, sugar, and remaining milk. Stir continuously using medium heat. After 10 to 12 minutes, check the texture of the mixture. If it sticks together like this, turn off the stove and pour it into the prepared tray. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to cool and set. Now cut into squares. If you enjoyed this recipe, please remember to like, subscribe and comment in the comments section below. Thanks for stopping by.